In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort products by best selling in Shopify. Sorting your products this way can help present popular items to potential customers, showcasing what's in demand and potentially boosting sales. It's a straightforward process, but walking through it step by step will ensure you don't miss any details. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Products section of your Shopify admin dashboard. You can find it on the left-hand panel, so go ahead and give that a click. This section serves as the central hub where all your product listings are housed, making it easily accessible to perform further modifications. Next, within the Products view, look for the option labeled Collections and click on that. Collections in Shopify allow you to group similar products together, making it easier for customers to find related items. This is where you can really start organizing your products to cater to your business needs. You'll need to decide which collection you want to work with. So if you already have a collection where your products are listed, select that one. If you don't, you'll need to create a new collection. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to set up a new group, ensuring you add all the relevant products you'd like to appear in this list. After you've either selected your existing collection or set up a new one and placed all your products there, it's time to proceed to the next step. Go back to your list of products within that collection. You'll notice a drop-down menu for sorting options, often located at the top right of the product list. This drop-down is key for changing how your products are displayed to your customers. Click on the Sort drop-down to reveal a list of sorting options. From this list, you'll want to select Best Selling. This option rearranges your collection so that your products are sorted by popularity based on sales data. Why does this matter? Well, by highlighting your best-selling items, you can give prominence to the products that have proven to resonate well with your audience, potentially driving more conversions and boosting your store's overall sales performance. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully sorted your Shopify products by best selling, creating a more dynamic and appealing shopping experience for your customers. This simple yet effective technique can make a significant difference in how your products are perceived and can encourage more visitors to explore those featured items. I hope you found this guide helpful. By keeping your collections organized and highlighting best sellers, you're well on your way to maximizing your Shopify store's potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks to enhance your online store.